Alright, here is the temperature. I can crank it up. And watch how fast this sucker rises just by moving. See that? There ain't no way it's getting that hot that fast. Low RPMs. There's something wrong with this damn thing. Fluids are all at 100% oil and coolant. I don't know what the hell it could be.